Hello guys, today we have the washer that the customer's concern is that it's leaking, and we found the problem. As you see, the problem is that the door bellow is ripped, was torn from this part and this part. So this is the main reason is that there's some sharp stuff stuck in the stays in the closes, so that's why during the wash cycle it cuts the door bellow. So we took this one out, first one from here, from the front side. It goes like this. We took that one out, and the second one is on the top of this part, on top of this part. I'm gonna try to take this one out, and then we will get back to the video. Okay, so eventually we were able to get this doorbell out. So this spring goes back to this track, goes here. So all you have to do is just unscrew this one and loosen it, and as long as make sure that it all comes out easily. And now we have the new doorbell. This is the new doorbell for this Whirlpool brand, and the part number is W11314648. You can get it from either from Reliable Parts or Amazon Supply. To make them easy, you need to use the dish soap. Most of the time it's very easy for you if you use the dish soaps, and the dish soaps is gonna go here, all this part here, and this track. So two main places. I'm gonna put this, so all you need to do is just put nicely and enough so it can all be, slippery, and then it will go to this track. As you see that it will go to this track. Then if there is no soap, it will be a little bit challenging, but right now I'm gonna make it smoothly. Make sure you take this tube from the old one and put into the new one in. Now everything is good to go. To install it, we put all the dish soap all around these tracks. Now, as you see that there is 5 drain holes here, and then the 5 drain holes here as well. So make sure that it's gonna match to that spot, and it will help that at the end of the cycle the water is not gonna collect here. And this is up and down. So for Whirlpool models, it's easy always to start from the inner track. So what we do is first we go like this all around. Make sure that you treat the bellow gently. Okay. Now we have to make sure that it's a little bit the holes has to match, and all you have to do is to put this one in. Come closer, please. Yeah. This part has to go inside this. Then it's gonna be easy to do the outer side after we finish this part. Okay, so we go all around like this, all around the outer top. After we put the inner track in, now it's the time to put the outer side. So outer side is gonna go very, very easy. it's not like you can see it, but you can feel with your fingers that the rubber, backside of the rubber goes to that track, and then it's kind of doing like snap sound, and then you know that it's on its place. Okay, now we are putting the springs back on first to the backside of the door bellow. All you have to do is make sure that it's a little bit doing wider so it can go all around the door bellow. This tool, 90 degrees, this tool, so all you have to do is just screw it back and make sure that it's tight. We're gonna do it and then we'll come back. Okay, we put the back spring on. Now we have to attach this hose here. Make sure it goes all the way. And with the clamp. This one in. And the last part is after that, this spring goes here. You may need this special tool. One of the side you put here, and then you stretch it. You put like this, and then all around like here, and after this just stretch it a little more. That's it. We have new door below in. Thank you for watching.